No, let's 2v2 zone.
Yeah, we can play my 2v2 map.
Yeah.
I didn't want
Maximum IGL kin stats yesterday.
You did?
You ever have a candy cane in your mouth before?
Yeah.
Best show ever. Come on, someone retweet me. Millie Bobby Brown. Holy.
It's not bad.
Everyone else is good. Loot.
I have 4 blinkies. Can you bring the blinkies up from above? Fucking people like watching?
Look, it is a TV.
I don't know.
Oh my god, Diego's aim sucks, no offense.
Okay, so it doesn't give you anything. Okay. It's on a TV. Okay.
I mean, look at how he plays. Like, this guy's just terrible.
Oh my gosh,